So you just heard Paul predict a single-digit temperature as the kids get ready for school. That had us wondering how districts make that decision, whether to delay or close. 27 First News reporter Alex George live tonight. She continues our Storm Team 27 coverage.
Good evening, Dave and Erica. A snowy start to the work week, but as Paul said, conditions are clearing tonight. Just a few flurries in the forecast, but we're turning our attention to now this cold air. Here in Boardman, temperatures in the upper teens, and it's only going to get colder as we head into your Monday morning. A cold start at the bus stop, and when cold air, winter weather returns, that means school closings for the kiddos. Here's how one local school district handles those. Across the valley, people woke up to this. Snow accumulation varied across the area. Some people saw more than 2 inches, and everyone felt the cold. As kids were heading to school this morning, temperatures were in the mid-20s, and they've been falling through the day. The coldest air of the season is just now settling in. Temperatures tonight will plummet to single digits. Wind chills will be close to 0. With the winter weather comes school closings. I talked with Tom Yazvac, superintendent of Springfield local schools, about what goes into the school closing process. He says it's the hardest decision he has to make.
Well, foremost in every superintendent's mind comes student safety. If the roads are bad and the transportation is going to be difficult, student safety is a #1 concern.
There are different factors that he has to consider, including timing of the event and road conditions. He talks with local law enforcement, the National Weather Service, and other local schools.
If you have a large population that walks, that have to wait outside in very extreme, severe cold weather, that is another factor you consider.
Yazvac says when road conditions are questionable, he will go out and drive them himself to see if the buses can handle it.
A lot of our students drive. As juniors and seniors, there's a lot of traffic on the road, and if they're not seasoned drivers, it might be better if they take the bus, because our buses have very good control in the bad weather.
Now, as we make our way through the winter season, we do have the potential for some watches, warnings, and advisories. Here's a quick reminder of what those weather terms mean. A watch means that we are watching for a potentially disruptive weather system moving into the area 24 to 48 hours out. An advisory means that you will be impacted by destructive weather, and it will last through the duration of the advisory. A warning is the highest alert level, meaning that major weather impacts are coming from the system that we're tracking. No watches, warnings, or advisories in place tonight. Again, just a quick reminder as we head into the winter season. It is cold out here, so bundle up tonight and as you're headed to school tomorrow. Alex George, 27 First News at 6.